Hey, let's have a look at the simultaneous equation for 5c. This is again from the 2023 Term 2 coursework revision worksheet. So we've got to solve these simultaneously. We've got to find the values of x and y. And when we look at this, we suddenly see y is the subject of this equation, which means we know what y is. Y is 7 minus x. So when we look at the second equation, and I see a 3y, I don't have to put y anymore because I know what y is. Y is this expression here. And I can just put that directly into y there. So let's do that. So I've got x plus 3 times, instead of writing a y here, I'm just going to write 7 minus x. 7 minus x. And we put it in brackets because the brackets mean it's one thing. Y is one thing, 7 minus x is one thing, and the whole thing is equal to 27. So now we do need to expand this out though, so we can say we've got an x plus 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times negative x is negative 3x, and that's equal to 27. So I'm going to keep the 3x, negative 3x on its own. I'm going to subtract 21 from both sides. Subtract 21 from both sides. So 21 minus 21 leaves us with a, well, that's 0. So I've got an x, and of course, well, the other side as well. 27 minus 21 is going to be 6. So now I've got an x and a negative 3x. In fact, I've got an x minus 3x, and that's equal to 6. Well, what's x minus 3x? That's going to be negative 2x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2, and that will reveal x. There it is. Negative 2 goes into 6 negative 3 times. And there is my answer for x. So now let's find y. And very, very straightforward now. I can just plonk that straight into one of these two equations. I'm going to choose the top equation because it's already there for me. I can go y is equal to 7 minus this thing down here. So let's just do that straight away. Here we go. So I'm going to write y is equal to 7 minus x. I know what x is. I'm going to put that straight into the value here. So that makes y is equal to 7 minus, and what's x? It's minus 3. So I've got y is equal to 7 minus minus 3, which is 7 plus 3. So y is equal to 10. So there's my value for y. So now I've got an equation, a value for x being negative 3 and a value for y. So I put therefore x equals negative 3 comma y is equal to 10. And there is my solution.